Ito guys. Look my food. Sorry guys, oh. And the rice. What's the... You not see rice, right? See the rice, chicken nuggets, and banana. Kabaya ito. Makita niyo.
It's only ham, bro.
Ham. Una man niyo kung baya kang
Wait a
ham.
second, bro.
Want the fries?
Sure.
And chicken nuggets?
No. I have chicken nuggets.
What about
Gusto ko
banana?
yung... I only want the chicken nuggets tuna. That's the yummiest in the world.
Oh yeah, I just tried it. I almost throw out.
Did you throw up?
Yeah, just a little bit. But I know now. I'm allergic to tuna.
Bro, it's yummy, bro.
Yeah, I'm allergic to tuna.
You're allergic, bro?
No.
I love tuna.
Me too. Oh, just lying to you. Yay, water pepper. Hi. Water. That's close. Can I say that's close? Okay.
Guys, I have a new water bottle.
Look guys, look. Why you want baliktad pala ako?
New water bottle for me!
Yeah, dati yung purple yun ang... Purple ba yung dati mo tumbler? Purple yun ang dati na tumbler. Okay.
And my mama changed it.
Change it! Hindi po. Open. Ay nga po. Last week ni Oh, may nakasabi sa'yo. Oh, quiet. Huwag mo yung narinig. Magkarinig. Shut up! Can we eat now? Potato with rice.
Bro, you already said that.
You say that already? My conscience yucked it.
Hindi ka na